Nag-office na naman ako today for this month. So, good morning everyone. Thank you for joining and welcome to our Bi-Monthly Super Refresher for January and February. Let's wait for 3 minutes to give others time to join, then we'll get started. So good morning again, and we've only got a handful of things to run through today, so this will be nice and quick. We'll hit the main points, keep it simple and wrap things up before you know it. And I'll go through the topics first, and then we'll have time for questions at the end, so feel free to note anything you'd like me to expand on. That's it, guys. So that's the end of our session. Thank you for all your participation today. So if you have any follow-up questions or need further support, so feel free to reach out, and have a great rest of your day. Thank you. Thank you, bye.
Grab delivery, ma'am. Grab delivery. Nagkakabigayan na ng mga epektos.
So pretty, you know?
Okay, i-edit out ko to. Kasi
Sasabihin mo naman sa kung nagpagupit ka, nung nag-ano kayo ni,
Celeste. Bago pa yun, a day before. Oh, look at me as a Sharon Cuneta. Sa pelikulang Jack and Jill.
Ha? Yurita, pagkain mo. Ano ba itong bastos na to?
Tawa kayo na tawa.
Ano? Ito yung walang ningning.
Balutin mo ako ng... Saya? Kakatawa yun?
Let's go! Galing sa ito? Yan. Maraming salamat.
Oh, mag-a-avail tayo niyan. Makaka-avail. Winner! Naka-avail tayo. Pag-ibig card. Ba't wala?
302.10.
Thank you. Ay, what? Dala mo pag-ibig card mo?
Yes!
Ayan, yan. Avail mo yun, no? Commercial ng Kiffy Pies.
All with pH Level 5 and Older Protect. That's care for you, for all.
May lunch. Well, technically, ano na to? Midnight snack. Frosty. Alam mo, gutom na ako. Kakain na ako. Ano yan? Frosty. Jillian na maganda. Panoorin ko kasi yung pelikula ng
Jillian! Ay! Jillian na maganda!
Siyempre naman pinakamatanda.
Excuse me.
Osha! This is the end of an era. Ahoy! Bye-bye. Okay na yan. Wag mo nang paligpasin pa. Oh, thank you for the cake, Johnny.
Yes, bye. Next month. See you next month.
Oh, eh.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na. Mga plastic ko.
Sabi mo yan, baka sumikat ako dyan.
Okay. Pati yung sinabi mo.
Pagod na ako. Gusto na akong umuwi.
Once naman kami nag-office eh.
I wanna go home. Bell na maganda.
End video.
Nakakadaming basher.
Mag-ano na ako, 9 years sa June. At i-greet mo na ako ng advance anniversary.
May pera ba yan?
Kasi for sure, nandito pa ako nun. Wala,
Pag
pag 10
10
years.
years, no?
Yes, true.
Ako mag-8 pa lang.
Oh, wala ka mahigita.
8. Eternity.
I-edit out ko yun kasi wala yun. Sabi.